Question number 1. The first Governor General of India was. Answer is A. Warren Hastings. Question number 2. The revolt of 1857 started from which place? Answer is C. Meerut. Question number 3. Who was the Viceroy of India during the Quit India movement? Answer is B. Lord Linlithgow. Question number 4. Who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright? Answer is C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 5. Who was the first Indian to join the civil service? Answer is B. Satyendra Nath Tagore. Question number 6. The partition of Bengal was done in which year? Answer is B. 1905. Question number 7. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in. Answer is B. 1931. Question number 8. Who was the founder of the Indian National Congress? Answer is A. A.O. Hume. Question number 9. Who was the president of INC at the time of independence? Answer is B. J.B. Kriplani. Question number 10. In which year was the Rowlatt Act passed? Answer is C. 1919. Question number 11. Which British official is associated with the doctrine of lapse? Answer is C. Lord Dalhousie. Question number 12. The first Round Table Conference was held in which year? Answer is A. 1930. Question number 13. Who authored India Wins Freedom? Answer is B. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Question number 14. The cabinet mission came to India in. Answer is B. 1946. Question number 15. The Pune Pact was signed between Mahatma Gandhi and. Answer is A. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 16. The non-cooperation movement was withdrawn due to. Answer is A. Chori Chora incident. Question number 17. Subhash Chandra Bose became the president of INC in. B. 1938. Question number 18. Who was the last Viceroy of British India? Answer is A. Lord Mountbatten. Question number 19. The Simon Commission was boycotted because. Answer is A. It had no Indian member. Question number 20. The slogan Do or Die was given during which movement? Answer is B. Quit India movement. Question number 21. Dandi March began from which place? Answer is C. Sabarmati. Question number 22. Who founded the Forward Bloc? Answer is B. Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 23. The Indian Independence Act was passed in which year? Answer is C. 1947. Question number 24. The INA trials were held at. Answer is B. Red Fort, Delhi. Question number 25. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred under the command of. Answer is A. General Dyer. Question number 26. The Cripps mission came to India in. Answer is A. 1942. Question number 27. Which Indian revolutionary threw a bomb in the Central Assembly? Answer is A. Bhagat Singh. Question number 28. Who was the founder of the Servants of India Society? Answer is B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 29. Who was the Governor General when the permanent settlement was introduced? Answer is A. Lord Cornwallis. Question number 30. Which movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942? Answer is C. Quit India movement. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe